A healthy pattern of eating is key in managing diabetes. Since there's no single diet that's right for everyone, it's important to work with your healthcare team to create a plan that's right for you. Once you have a plan, we can help by creating great tasting products and recipes like chili garlic fish with Tom Tom sauce that helps you put dinner on the table in minutes. For more meal inspiration, visit our Living with Diabetes page on Wegmans.com. Here you'll find more recipes and tools, such as our Building a Meal for Type 2 Diabetes, a visual guide that can help you decide what to put on your plate. Let us be a part of your diabetes care team so that you can feel your best and enjoy a healthier, better life through food.